Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, I will be showing you how we prep for our gender reveal party. The theme is what will he or she be, so it's a B theme. And also comment down below what you guys think I'm having. Alright, let's get straight into the video. As you can hear by my screams, I was so excited. We left our appointment, we got the gender, it's in this envelope, and we gave the envelope to my dad. Now I'm at my grandmother's house picking up some stuff for the party. Again, the theme was what will he or she be, so it's a lot of honeybee themes, and the colors were gold and cream neutrals. So these are a few of the other things that we got. This is my husband and I. We cut the paper up into tiny pieces and added confetti. We had a blue box and we had a pink box, and we're going to give it to my dad and let him stuff the balloons so we can pop it at the reveal. This is me showing my mother-in-law the confetti that we're putting in there. All I did was pour it into the paper, mix it up, and it came out really cute. And as you can hear, I was so excited to do this because I knew this is what was going to be the thing that let us know if we're having a baby boy or a girl. And then later on, we're going to make these cute little honeycomb things. I got it from Pinterest. We made it out of popsicle sticks, spray painted it gold, and now my husband is just putting cute little bee stickers on it. And I'll insert the inspiration pic from Pinterest. Now I'm popping open the cute little bee boxes. These are going to be the gift bags for all of our guests. We put cute little bee themed gifts inside. Some of the things we put were like honey lip chap, honey milk soaps, and other customized goodies that my best friends put together. So we're going to stuff that in each of the boxes for the guests. This is one of maybe 6 balloon columns. I got them on Amazon. I'll have all of this linked below. But yeah, this is all of the stuff that it came with. And then we just have to blow up the balloons and attach them later. We put all the stands together, and then we're going to attach the balloons at the venue on the day of. These are some smaller balloon stands that are going on all of the tables. Again, I pretty much got all of this stuff on Amazon, and everything will be linked below. This is what it came with, so I'm about to put all of this together as well. These are the balloons that we have so far. They're still working on them. Okay, a few things we have. We have 2 of these, some bee cutouts, 2 of these to hang from the ceiling. I'm not sure if we're gonna use this because it's pink and blue, but it's like the score for the gender. And then these are for the cupcakes. These are lights that are going on a table. These are straws for our drinks. This is what the dad's gonna wear, well, my husband's gonna wear, and then I'm gonna wear the sash. Some dolls. We got garland set, another one, and another one. And then we're gonna use the color of our balloons. And then we got water, Lazy Susan, mask. These are for like candy and stuff. That's for like the drinks. Again, we have a bunch of balloons. These are for tea light candles. We're gonna put, I'll show you guys later. And then of course our table sets. These are this. So we just put our balloons in it. And then we got 2 of these. Got some clear wire to hang things from. We have these light up curtains. We have a few of these. These are for cake pops. Trophies for the winner of the games. A bunch of cups. ginger ale. That's a bag of balloons over there. And over here are weights because we're doing balloon columns. And as you guys see, my living room looks crazy. And then we have an easel for one of the signs. And then this is bee fabric. And here, doing balloons. That's the machine we got. This is what those little light up candles are gonna go in. We have 2 of those. Flowers. My mother-in-law made these. So going on the tables. A Hive sign. More plates. Decorations. Look how cute this is. She made this too. Little bees. Stuff for food. These are the bowls. It's a boy and a girl bowl. And then this is gonna be the sign. And they pick if they're team boy, team girl. Microphone, we got speakers. My grandma got this book. And a bunch of other stuff. Just printed the old wives' tale. It's on cardstock paper. And then I made these as well. The predictions. And then they can write advice. And then they could tell us who they think the baby's gonna look like. And I got like 50, it's 2 per page, so I printed 25. And now I just have to cut them on this cutter thing. So this is what they will look like. I made this design. I made our invitations, and I'll show you guys the sign. I also made that. So all customized by me. Now I'm about to get my hair done. My hairstylist is in downtown Atlanta. If any of you guys are interested, she works really well with natural hair. And I'm really picky about who I let do my hair. I barely will let anyone else touch it other than myself. My hair is really long and very thick, especially when it's in its curly state. And she has been helping me to grow my hair out. I've been keeping up with my trims and trying to go more on a regular basis, and it's really growing my hair. I used to always straighten my own hair, but I learned to go to professionals sometimes to keep up the health of my hair, especially when heat is being put on it. Okay, I like that. Mm-hmm. This is my hair after she blow dried it. It's so healthy and it's still very soft. Ooh, I can't wait. I haven't had weave in a while. And this is the end result. I was so happy because I haven't gotten my hair done in so long. Now I'm just getting my nails done. I got an all gold sparkly set to match with the theme. I don't know what it is about an all sparkly nail set, but I always love it no matter what color it is. And ooh, it's the bling for me. But yes, you guys, these are my nails. Then we had to hit up the mall to get our outfits together. We went to Lenox. One of the first stores we went to was, of course, the Burberry store. Y'all know how we do at baby-related parties. So we had to get the Burberry shirt for my husband. And yeah, we did some extra shopping and everything. I'll show you guys later what we ended up getting. These were a few of the options. I didn't know if we should do the basic Burberry plaid shirt or if we should do a twist.
Like personally, but for her, she could add that under the That's
yes. Oh, let me see the clothes. Oh, look how cute. This is swimsuit.
They just give them my card.
Okay.
Give them my card, give them my number.
Yeah.
Yep, and then they'll hit me up and they'll let me know who they are. Then I'll get everything in
Look
motion.
at the trench coat, you guys.
Anytime like folk come in, it's the first one.
So we ended up getting everything, and yeah, we're about to head home, and I'll show you guys again our ensembles. So you guys, this is the fit. These are the shoes he's wearing. Of course, we're doing the Burberry thing. My dress. Got my Valentino shoes. I wanted heels, of course, but I am 4 months pregnant and have 0 balance. So these are the shoes and the dress.
Yeah, right.
Thank you.
Thanks.
You know, we usually do something together.
I normally would get this thing.
We jump the gun.
I said I would have.
Happy birthday to you. Woo!
Happy birthday.
Love that to me.